What?
Nothing.
Man, I love you.
This one, just right here, Jojo. Look, Jojo. This one, just right here. Come on.
That hurts. Look, he's hurting her.
Ew, are you?
Yes, indeed.
The ghost is coming. It's coming. Stop, Jojo. Alright, go put your jacket back on.
Why is this thing?
Yeah, where it was? No.
Right here.
Why?
Because it's a jacket.
Okay, but you don't have to put it.
No.
Give it.
Whatever.
What? Don't start with a new attitude.
Whatever. I'm sleeping. Wait, what is that?
What?
Like, was that the bathroom?
That sound?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's Judy.
She's going to the bathroom. That's what makes that noise.
Mm-hmm. When she turned her sink on.
I always was wondering what that sound was.
Mm-hmm. Let me get you a blanket,
Mom,
Jojo.
Mommy,
What?
what's that loud? Come on.
I know. Labyrinth. Que bien. Jojo. Let's go. Come on.
These are my
Let's go, Jojo.
wow.
What?
We like hiding. So we can hide.
Oh, that hurt.
No, that's the other.
Mm. Love you.
Wow.
Love you. Sleep good.
Why is he doing that?
Is somebody on the fire stick remote?
No. Look, isn't that bad?
Oh my God, I forgot. I'm here. Babe, but were you naked?
No.
Oh, okay. I forgot I did.
I came over there. I wasn't naked.
Oh shit, I thought I had it in the light in the starting soon scene. Oh my God. Hey, Romeo Blanco, welcome to the Dino Max stream, buddy. Ay, 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 ay. Suerte que no había gente desnuda aquí. I'm trying to set everything up, and that shit. Yo, that's funny. That is funny, yo. that stream on YouTube not working?
Yeah. And I was like, exactly. And I was like, and yeah, I could have asked what was wrong, but none of that happened. So we're here now. He said everything went south today. I didn't have it. I was like, what's it called?
Oh man.
I'm happy. He goes,
Let me put some music that would not get blocked. Let's see, what music can we put on? Oh my god. Ah, jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Hold on, fellas. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, there's no Christmas songs, yeah. Jing. There we go. Hey. Where's the timer? Timer. Let me put a timer, guys. Oliver, my fault, buddy. I don't know why my Streamlab is not connecting. What's going on, Oliver? What's going on, man? We always making money up in here, man. Now, you know, we make buck change. We making buck change, but you know. Penny by penny, the piggy bank gets full. Hey. 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 No, don't tell me I deleted my notes. Oh, please, God. Please, God, don't tell me I deleted my notes. Please don't tell me I deleted my notes. Fuck me. Fuck me. Oh, sorry, stream. Oh my god, I had notes. No, where's my note app? Ah, that sucks. Not notepad. Sticky notes. There we go. Ah, thank God. Here they are. Thank you, Lord. Should I reveal my new? We rechanging the app, the YouTube too soon. Should I reveal my new logo? I don't know if I should or not. What's going on, fellas? What is going on? Gang, gang, gang. Welcome to the Santana 90s channel, baby. Let's go. What's going on, fellas? Market just opened. Market's just open, and I'm like, oh, let's go. Kind of makes me want to not like Saturdays no more when the markets is closed. Jesus. Alright, let's get right into the charts. Let's see what we got going on. Who's in here? Who's in here? Report yourself. What's going on? Where y'all tuning in from? Alright. So let's look at this. Market just open right here. So it opened below it. Okay. It's a nice big candle. Divergent. What happened with my music? What happened with my music? Don't make it stop right now. Don't make it stop right now. Is the music too loud, y'all? Can y'all see the let me know if the music is too loud. There we go. Y'all want to see it bigger? Hold up. That's better, right? Y'all can see the whole thing right there. Yo, 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 what's going on? Oliver in the building. What's going on, Oliver? What you been up to, buddy? What I was doing. I forgot what I was doing now. Damn, I'm getting old. All right here. There we go. I be freaking editing as I go. Don't blame me, man. I try. What you been up to, Oliver? Let's see. All right. Wow. Gold. Let's just start right here. Let's start with gold. What happened with my music? knew it was gonna be some beat like that or something. I've been good, bro. Just chilling. How are you doing? I'm doing great, man. We great. We alive, man. Even though we're going through rough patches or whatever, we alive, man. That's all that matters. We alive. We got a roof, you know. We got some food in our belly. We could breathe. We good. We good, man. Hey, let me put my headphones so I can hear the music. And y'all don't hear the music double. There we go. There we go. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, 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 bum. Hey. See, I'm telling you, I love these beats, bro. I love beats. I think it's the beats I love, man. Gold is not looking too bad. Too bad. Let's look at the 1 hour. Hey. Hey. Now this one makes me want to dance, yo. Now I want to go dancing. Oh, man. Hey. Alright, so let's get into it. 1 hour. Y'all see what I see? Gold is ready to get up. Gold is getting ready to go up there. Where's Mayo? Hold on, let me call my boy out so he could talk to me. Yo, hold on real quick. Let me text my boy so he could get in here to see what he thinks, so he could give his opinion too. Let me see. Hey. Hey. All right. Hey. We getting back over here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What up, Francis? What's going on, Francis? Mayo, DJ Dav in the building. What's going on, buddy? What is going on, fellas? We are live in the Santana. 90s. Woo woo! What's going on, fellas? was saying, Mayo, I was saying, gold over here looking like like it's ready to pump up. You know why? You know why? Do you see what I see, Mayo? Do you see what I see? Tell me. Tell me if you see what I see. Look. I'm gonna go a little bit back. Look. Here's where it's at right now, right? Here's where it's at right now. Look. I'm in the 1 hour. If you go back, right? Look. You see this freaking high, right? Nothing else over here of the high. So that's a high peak formation over there on the 1 hour. That desde allá arribota. ¡Pam! Right? Pan con queso. Mira. Todo esto aquí. Downtrend. It was on a downtrend. It's ready to go back up now. Mira, todo esto se parece un level 1, ¿verdad? Mira. Nivel 1. Level 1. Tan. Nivel 2. Tan. Level 2. And right here is creating that value. We're gonna go get that shit right back up, bro. Watch. We're gonna grab that on the low. Oh, I see a peak formation low. Está haciendo la W. It's making that W for win. Oh man. Yo, Olive. That beat started like with one of the songs you be requesting. I'm like, yo, they got them beats. This is gold right now, DJ Dav. This is gold right now. Hey, yeah, you see that? Yep. This is all by itself too. This is all by itself, brother. And this is the 1 hour. Yeah, probably on the 15 minute you see the W. I mean, if you want to, you could think about it as a multi-session W. Right here, you see that? Oh, that was during the same day actually. It's not big enough for me. I like to see them big W's. Hey. What you looking at right now, DJ Dav? Let's analyze the charts. Let's analyze these charts, baby. I know since Thursday I've been looking at gold to buy. So, look, since Thursday I've been looking at gold to buy. Yeah. Move back. Nope. Tres. Let's look at GBP USD. GBP USD. Diablo, ¿cuántos días, mano? Mira, pero ese está para allá arribota. 31.91 estaba en eso. Holy moly. This is way higher too. Ese era el biro, bamba. Biro, bamba. But it did it quick. Ahí 1, 2 y 3. Take a look at GJ. 1, 2 y 3. Y se devolvió para arriba. Yeah, That's a lot of movement on GU. That's crazy though. That was crazy. Last week was crazy movement. Like, I hope this week is not dead because the markets was moving so much last week. So much. I was like, damn. They were moving so much. GU, GJ. GJ is the same thing as GU for me. For me, GJ is the same thing as GU. Look, see? That same peak over there. And they did that move, move. See, 1, 2, 3. Here, probably there was a W in there. Boom. Oh, man. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. What you want to see in GU? I need movements. You know what I want to do one time? One time. One time. Oh, one time to see how it goes. I want to trade live. The 1 minute strategy, I say, hey, guys, get in, get out. I want to do it live. I want to feel that pressure to see how it goes. But y'all probably don't be waking up so early. I'm Eastern time zone, and I be waking up at what 6 in the morning. So I don't think y'all probably at work. Y'all probably sleeping. I don't know. But money doesn't sleep, fellas. Money doesn't sleep. I want to do that to see how it feels on the 1 minute. To do the 1 minute strategy and call live trades to see how I feel. I want to see how I feel, how I take it. You want to see how I feel and take it. Cause man, I know calling trades sometimes can be nerve-wracking, and you don't want to. It's like I know people know that you can lose or win, but it's like not cause you want to look good or anything, but you just don't want to send losing trade to people because you don't want people to lose money. So it's not cause you want to look good. Oh, excuse me, or at least for me, it's not cause I want to look good or anything. It's just I really don't like to send out trades because I don't want people to lose money. Or I don't know if they have the same patience as me to wait because I know it's going to go that way. To wait, sit down and wait for it to go the way I'm saying it's going to go. You know what I mean? So it's like, that's why I don't like sending trades out. All right. What happened with the music again? Look right there, GU. Look at GU. That's not enough movement for me though. I need bigger. I need these type of movements. Those are the type of movements I need. Hey. But I'm thinking. I don't know yet. I'm thinking. I'm looking for GU. See? I think. I don't know yet. I don't know yet. I'm thinking. I'm looking to GU to sell still a little bit today. I don't know yet. And it started high. You see that big gap? How many pip gap is that? Jeez. Oh, not there. Look at that. That's the 89 pip gap. 89 pip gap. Wow. Either if you was in a buy, it's like, yes, 89 pips right off the bat. But if you was in a sell, it's like, oh, why? So, but that's a big gap. That's a big gap. That's why I don't like leaving trades over the weekend, unless I'm doing like a long swing trade. But sheesh. That's the pips that we look for in a day. Oh man. Oliver, you still with me, Oliver? Oh man. So what you think, DJ Dav? Oh, all right, Oliver. What you want me to explain to you? What is a pip? You know what's a pip, Oliver? Cause you're probably watching my stuff right now and you don't know what I'm talking about. You know what's a pip, Oliver? Nah, not really. All right, let me pause this. A pip. Look. This is a pip. You, that movement, right? We just call it pip, so it's easier to count and all that stuff. But you see, all right, let's start with this. See how it has, let's see, let's start with GU. See, it has a 1. So right now, basically, 1 pound, this is pound versus dollar. Because the three first letter is one currency, and the other 3 letters another currency. So GBP, that's the pound, the British pound. USD is the dollar, the US dollar. See, if you hover over it, it says it. British pound, USD dollar. So now a pip, this is what the pair is going for. 1.33, 20, 0.1, 0.5, 0.6. It keeps moving. That moves constantly because the market is open right now. So hold up. So we call right now on this pair on GBP USD. This, when you see where it says 20, oh, I don't know if you see it. Can you see it? Can you see these numbers where I'm pointing at right now, or should I make it bigger? I don't know if you can see those numbers. Oh, you can see. All right, all right. So those numbers right there, right? It says 1.3, but why can I see it right? Let me see. Hold on. I don't know if I can see it. Let me see. Oh yeah, you can see it. Okay, it's because I was watching from Streamlabs. I thought you couldn't see it clear. Okay, so yeah, you can see. All right. So you see 1.33, 1.3321 6. This last number, see how it has 4 numbers after the decimals? It has 5 numbers after the decimal. But this one we don't worry about. We call it a pipette. This really we don't worry about. This number mostly is these numbers, the 4 numbers after the decimal. But really the pips come from here. When 20, you see his 3321? When it goes from 3321 to 3322, that means it moved up 1 pip. So that, it went up. See right now, see 3323, it moved up 2 pips. So it moved up now 23. Oh shit, 24. It moving is going up, Mayo. DJ Dav is going up. 33, 24. See now it was 21, 25. God damn it, what's going on over here? It's gaining momentum. Yep, look at that. Look at that. Woo. But see, that's what we call pip. It was at 21, now it's at 25. So from 21 to 25 is 4 difference. So it's 4 pips. So now it's 3 pips. So that's what we call pips. Hey, Crankin', what is going on? Crankin' in the building. building. What's up, brother? But yeah, so that's the pip. That's what we call pips. So now if 33.24 goes to, like, let's say 33.37, that means it's 13. So that's 13 pips. And the only difference here, see how this one has three numbers before the decimals, and only has two numbers, or really three numbers after the decimal. It's because it has a JVP, a JPY pair. See, this is the same thing. GBP, JPY. This is the three letters again, the same as this one, is British pound. Now it has another different letter than this one, three different letters, so it's JPY. That's the yen, the Japanese yen. That's money. We're talking about money. This is the British pound, the US dollar, British pound, Japanese yen. So now the yen, the Japanese yen pairs, they only have two numbers. Like, those are numbers we really count. Two numbers after the decimals. We don't worry about the third one, that little one. That's the pipette. You see how this one here had four numbers. This one only has two numbers. But here, the pip count is right here, right here. The last four, the last two. Okay, so, and the JPY pairs is the first two after the decimal. Because this is the pipette. This little one is the pipette. So that's when we count. See, so it went from, I don't know what it was, 58 to 57. So it went down one pip. So it's negative one pip. It went down one pip. See, again, it went down another pip. So that it went down two pips now. See right here how this goes red. I have it when it's red. When this is what we call candle. When it's red, I have it that when it's red is when it's going down, and when it's green is when it's going up. Oh yeah, I get it. So pips just show the difference between the currency. Yeah, like how much it moved. Basically the movement. If it was at 1.3321 and then it moved up to 133.35, that means it moved 14 pip. So we call it, it moved up. Oh, that's the movement we talking about, how much we caught. Oh, I caught 14 pips. We talking about that movement. We caught that movement. Oh, I caught 100 pips. But then when you get into a trade, lot size. It all depends on the lot size. The crazy thing about you could catch the same amount of pip. Let's say 5 people, they all caught. Let's say they all caught 100 pips. But depending on the lot size on the same pair, because different pairs just pays differently too. But let's say they caught 10 pips on the same pair. One person could have made $1, right? $1 on that 10 pip they got. Another person could have made $10 on that, 10 pip that it moved. Another person could have made $100. Another person could have made $1,000. Another person could have made $100,000. Because it all depends on the lot size they got into. Lot size is how much, basically you're risking. There's like different lot size. I don't have do I have that? No, I don't have my MT4 up right now to show you what is a thing, how it looks. But it's like you could buy different lot size. There's like standard lot size, mini lot size, and stuff like that. You should download MetaTrader 4, Oliver, and start practicing this shit. You're my boy. I'll teach you some of this stuff. I'll teach you some of this stuff, Oliver. Oh man. Oh damn. Look at the 1 minute. DJ Dab, you still in here? Look at this. Over the 70. Over the 70, but that's on the 1 minute though. See, it gets a lot out of the 70 over the 1 minute. Right now, I don't get into trades because there's not enough movement. There's not enough open markets for me to get into those trades. And it's Sunday, so I usually wait. Just analyze the charts for now and wait until London session and then get in. But see, you could change the time frame. Right now I'm watching these candles. Okay, I didn't explain candles to you. Candles, Oliver. You know what's candle? Hey, Pimp Sensei, what's going on? Take a short for 15 pips on that drop. What, on GJ? You talking about GJ? Yo, guys, follow my boy Pip Sensei. That's my boy, yo. What's going on, man? GU, you watching GU right now? I didn't see that drop. I didn't see that drop. Oh, I was on GU. What the hell? GU on the 1 minute. Oh my God, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. I know you're talking about because it's over the 72. Yeah. The thing is, I'm trying to stick to my strategy. I don't wanna. I don't like. It's Sunday, so it's like Sundays I push. I try my hardest. No matter how good of a trade I see that I could get a couple pips, I try my hardest not to get into trades before London session. I try my hardest. My hardest not to get into trades. Um, but yeah, this is gonna, we could get in and get at least minimum at least 5 pips or something, because this is gonna drop. But I try my hardest not to get into trades, man. That GU about to drop. Sunday trap day, exactly. Sunday is trap day. Sunday is trap day. They trying to trap you in there, man. Oh. But yeah, but yeah, Oliver, this is candles right here. Look, Wyatt. This is what we call candles. I don't know. Can you see that wick? Let me see if you can see that wick or not. Can you see that? Oh, you barely can see that wick. Holy shit. Oh yeah, you see that little green line. Okay, you see that. You do see that little green line. Okay. So look, see? Let me zoom in so you can see it. See, this is a candle, right? I don't know why it has that hover thing. Okay, there we go. See? This is a candle. You see that little wick? That's, well, this little line, we call that a wick. This is basically the candle. See, it has a wick on this. It has a line on the bottom. This is a wick. Let me see if I can draw it. I still haven't really learned this thing. I'm still learning the trading view how to draw. See in there, that's a wick. That's that little line right there. That's a wick. All right, delete. Oh no, I can't delete it. What? How can I delete it? God damn it. Ah, don't delete. Oh, erase. There we go. But yeah, that's a candle. I mean, that's a wick. Yeah, looks like a candle. Exactly. So that's a candle. This is a wick. So a the purpose of the candle, you could change how it, you could change all of this stuff. Look, you can have it like this. You can have it like this. There's different type of way you can look at the chart. You can have it like that. You can have it like a line. But I like the candles. There's a lot more stuff. But oh, this music is a little bit downy. A little downer. What the heck is wrong with this song? So, but yeah, this is a candle. This is a wick. You see this big body, right? What this means, look right here, the bottom of this big, the candle basically on a green one, since it's going up. I have it green color. When it's a green color candle, it means that the price was going up. When it's a red candle, it means that the price was going down. So let's see right here. See the green. All right, let's start right here. That means right here, the top of the red candle of the body, the top of the red candle, that's where the price opened. Let's say we on the 1 minute. So when the 1 minute started, that's where it opened. And the bottom is where it closed. So now let's say after 1 minute, it's gonna jump to the next candle. Let's say it was 9 o'clock. I don't know. Let's say it was 9 o'clock. So this was 9 o'clock. So now let's say it's 9 o'clock, 9:01. Since we're watching the 1 minute, 9:01 is gonna go to the next candle. So see, it finished right here. So right here it opens. So it's green. So it means it's going up. So when it was 9:02, it probably went all the way up here and came back down. But when it was 9:02, it finished right here. So it goes to this candle. So it opens right there. Boom, went down to here, went up. It went to 9:03, so it closed right there. Boom, open right here. It went a little bit down, it went up, it closed right there, 9:04. Boom, and it just continues like that. So the body, the bottom, the body of the candle, the bottom was where it's open on the green, and on top where it closed. For the red one, see how it opened right here on the green, closed right here. So on the red one, it opened, it's the opposite, because it's going down. So it opened right here. So the price opened right here, but the price is getting lower than when it opened. So it makes the candle turns red. So that's why it goes down. So that's why once the minute passed, it closed right here. And just vice versa. See right now, look. This one closed, it went all the way up, went down. It closed right down here. So this one opened right here. See now the price is going up from where it opened on that 1 minute. So now it's going up. It can still go up and down until that 1 minute finish and goes to the next candle. That's when it tells you the open and close. But you could all that thing is the same thing. It's just right now I'm talking about the 1 minute frame. You could change it to 3 minutes. This is trading view. 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, an hour. So it just depends on on what you look it on. Oh yeah, I get it. That's cool. Hey, I like that you get it. Yeah, so it's not hard to read. Like once you start practicing and practicing, you will get it. It's not that hard to get it. It's just practice. The more time you spend in the markets, the better. Because you're gonna start seeing how it moves and all that stuff. DJ Dav, where did you go, huh? Sensei left too, huh? I think they're trading, that's why. They're like, I know all this shit. Why would I be in here? I just want to trade. Oh man. Yeah, just gotta learn how to see the patterns, I guess. Just like all investments or any purchase real. Yep. Exactly. That's the thing. Like the markets have patterns sometimes that you follow and stuff like that, but sometimes it's not as clear, and they're not always the same patterns and stuff like that. So it's just a lot. It's Then too, like we just found out. Well, I just found out. Well, we just found out. There's people like behind it too, like big corporations that make the market moves and stuff like that. So it's a lot. It's a lot. It's a lot of stuff. But practice makes perfect, man. You can do whatever you put your mind to. But yeah, see, right now this right here, this is what I have right here. This line right here, that's called an RSI. It just measures the strength of the movement, really. I'm going too deep in there. You probably still, just trying to give you a little bit of the basics. But I really want to go online during London and New York session, so y'all can see me trade a little bit, and I want to see too how I deal with with the pressure of somebody watching me or calling trades live. To see how I do, to see how I do. I don't know. Because, when I'm by myself, I'm chilling, I'm putting trades here, putting trades there, getting dubs here, dubs there. But I want to see how I do it, calling trades actually live to see how I feel. Oh, man. I say, hey, Oliver, get in the buy. Oliver, get in the sell. Sell it, Oliver. Take your profit and run. Ah, yeah, seems cool. Yeah, it's all right. It's all a learning process, bro. It's all a learning process. Listen, you should download the app and start practicing putting in trades and stuff like that. Like I told you, I got videos on YouTube about it. How to do the like I got simple like explanation about MetaTrader 4, how to use it and stuff like that. And there's more uh, videos I got in mind that I'm gonna be launching and stuff like that. Hey, hey. Let me see that GU. GU on the 1 minute. Did it go down? Did it go down? Yeah, I don't think so. I don't know. Oh, look. See? It was up here. Look, see? When he was telling about catching that movement down, we could have caught, let's see how many pips we could have caught. Probably at least like 2 pips. Oh, wow, look. A 5 pip movement. If you would have just hold it just on that movement right there. But look at right here. Look at right here. See? 38. 29. That's an almost 10 pip movement right there. That could have been easily $100, $1,000, $10,000. It depends on your lot size that you're using, really. That could have been $10. All depends on the lot size you're using. But that's like almost a 10 pip run. In how many minutes? Let's see how many minutes. So 10 pip in 6 minutes. So that could have easily been $100, $1,000. Like I said, $1,000, $10,000. It depends on you, on the lot size you use. But the thing is, on the lot size also depends on the money you have in your account. So that could have been easily $100 I could have made right there in 6 minutes. But the same way it could go the opposite. You could have lost $100 in 6 minutes. But that's why you do analysis. You know what I mean? You do analysis on your charts. Look at this. Look, 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 look. Oh shit. That 13 pips right there. Yeah, I've been watching your vids. Gonna download the app and check it out. Saw they had demo accounts, but don't know what it is. Yeah, demo accounts is like practice account. You don't have to put real money. It's basically it's the same thing as a real account. It's just fake money. So you could put trades in. So you could start practicing how to put trades. And if you could start practicing certain strategies, you can practice certain strategies that you see, to see if you could start getting the strategy, if you're getting the strategy right. And you put the orders there. Boom, 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 boom. Stuff like that. But yeah, that's basically a demo. A demo is fake, a fake account basically. But it goes based off the real movement of the market and the value and everything. It's just that it's fake. It's a fake account. It's like a fake account. It's paper money. There you go. It's not real money. It's paper money. Oh damn, that's what's up then. Yeah, download it and use the demo. That's what, and that's the thing that I recommend everybody to do if they're just starting. Is always use a demo account. Start with a demo account so you can learn how to use the app. So you can learn how to, put in trades or practice in a strategy. I know what I'm looking for, and I still use demo. I have a live account which I put trade, but I also still have a demo account which I still practice on. You know what I mein? Something that I feel 100%, I put it on my live account, which is my real account, money account. Something that I'm still, let's say, a strategy I'm testing out, I go and practice it on the demo to see if what I'm seeing is correct. so I don't lose real money. You know what I mean? So I don't know why people sometimes like, oh, they don't want to use demo. And it's like, it's in order for you not to lose money. Even experienced people use demo sometimes when they're practicing a new strategy. Why would you practice a new strategy on your real life account if you don't know if it works or not? You know? So it's like you're gonna lose money instead of, you put it on the demo to see if it works. So it's just saving your ass of not losing money. 'Cause don't. Some people are hard headed. Like I know I was a little bit hard headed with like, and me and my boy, we started with a demo. We did start with demo, and since we were getting dubs, we were getting wins and wins. We went too quick onto a live account, and we lost a couple bucks there. So we went back on demo. And we're like, all right, let's give it time. Let's practice. Dun 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 dun, and now we go back and forth from demo and live account. So it's just practice, practice. The demo is just really saving you. Look at this. Look at this movement. Remember. Pimp Sensei was telling me to get in. I didn't want to get in because I said I don't want to get into trades before the London session. And look at this pip movement. And it's still going down. It's probably going to go, oh, y'all don't see that in the chart. But it's probably going to go, I don't know if y'all see that in the chart. Y'all don't see that in the chart. Let me put it right here. Hold on. Let me see if I could. So y'all can see it. I don't know how you can see it. There you go. But see, probably, let me see. Can y'all see it? But y'all don't see my, let's move this up. Okay, right there. I'd rather y'all see that than the other stuff. Alright. But see, right now, that's what I was gonna say. See how it was all the way up here? The higher side was overbought. Because it's over the 70, it was overbought. So that's why he was telling me to come get into a sell, because in the 1 minute, GU was overbought. So that's why he was telling me to get into a sell. But I'm trying to keep on following my strategy, because stick to your strategy, Bouncing into between strategies sometimes can mess you up. You got to set yourself a strategy, a time, or a certain strategy, because always one strategy doesn't work. Like I have learned a couple different strategies, and basically combined it to what I understand or to what I see the market doing, and I do certain different strategies at different time zones and stuff like that. But he was telling me to get into a sell because it was, GU was overbought. GU was overbought. So let's count how many pips was that. Let's see how many pips was that. See, now it's starting to reverse because it was getting close to the 30 RSI. When it's close over the 70 is overbought. When it's close to the 30 is oversell. So it like reverse. It has to reverse. Sometimes it goes over, like here. See, it got over the 70. It went all the way to the 86, and now it started going down. Sometimes it could the same thing. It could go down to like 820 or whatever, and it goes up. What comes down goes up. What goes up must come down. What goes down goes up. So, see right here is reversing. But let's see how many pips was that. Hold on, let me put some music again. Let me put some music. There we go. Hey, y'all following me so far? Y'all following me, or I'm going too fast, or am I speaking clearly enough? Y'all following me? Yeah, it makes sense. Hey, 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 hey. Can y'all hear the music? I don't know if y'all can hear the music, because I know I can. And my body just want to dance. Hey. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, man. All right, let's see what I was going to say. What did I say I was going to do? Count the pips. How many pip movement was that? Boom, 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 boom. All right. Look at that. Trying to get it right on the money. Goddamn. 18.5. So 18 pips in 9 minutes. Again, I repeat it again. That could have been 8. That could have been 18 cents. No, not 18 cents. That could have been $1.80. Cause my thing, the lower lot size I could get in my thing on my trading account is 0.01. So that could have been $1.80 for me that I could have won. That could have been $18 I could have won. That could have been $180. That could have been $1,800. You know, it depends on the lot size you choose. So that's why some people make a lot more money quicker, or you know, some people take a lot longer time, because the bigger your account size, the bigger the lot size you can put in. So that was a nice movement. I'm trying to stay disciplined. I'm trying so hard to stay disciplined, but when I see movement like that, it just look like I seen this movement and I wanted to get in so bad, but I'm trying to stay disciplined. Then I seen this one overbought and I wanted to get in. Even Sensei, my boy, told me about getting in. My other boy told me too to get in, and I'm like, I'm trying to stay disciplined. I'm trying to stay disciplined. It's a Sunday, the market is just opening. You know, there's a lot of, you know, fake outs and all that stuff. So I'm trying. I don't do trades over before the London session. Wait, so if you put a 0-01, you get $1.08. Yeah, if you put like a lot size, I don't know if you could see. How can I do this? Lot size. I don't know if you have to see. Yeah, cause I don't know what have you said you see my YouTube video, right? If you see the app, I don't know if you have the app in front of you. Yeah, you have the app in front of you, right? You have the app in front of you. Look. Let's see. I go right here. Let me show you on the camera. Let me show you on the camera. Come on. Why is it frozen? Okay, let me show you on the camera. Hold up. All right, so you see, once you press once you press the thing, like let's say the pair you're gonna get. Let me see if you see it. Okay, you see it right there. You see where it says 5.00? That's the lot size. That's the lot size where you see 5.001. That's the lot size. I mean 5.00. That's the lot size. I could change that. Let's say, look, the lowest I could go, the lowest trade I could put in is a 0.01. See, the lowest I could put is that 0.01. So let's say I would have got a trade. I would have put in a trade as a sell. Like I would have clicked right here where it says red sell, on where he told me on top over here on the top where he told me to put a sell. On that 0.01, I would have won. I would have won $1 and 80 cents since it moved 18 pips. Because a 0.01 on GU, every pip that it moves is 10 cents that you win or lose. So it moved 18 pips. Plus the commission. It depends too on the broker you have, the spread. That's another thing is the spread. Like, okay, like you see where it says right here GU GBP. Let me see if you see it. Okay, hold up, clear up. There we go. There we go. GBP USD. On the bottom it says spread 7. That says spread 7. That's the difference. That's this right here. Look. That's let me see if it does it. Yeah, there's like two lines. There's like two lines where the blue is the bottom and the red is the top. So you never get in here in inside of those two lines. You when you put a sell, you're gonna get on the line of the top, the red line. When you put a buy, you're gonna get in the blue line. Wait, no, wait. When you put a buy, you get inside from the red line. Yeah. Yeah, from the red line. And when you do a sell, they put you from the bottom. And when you get a buy, they put you from the top. Because, you know, they try. I don't know why they do that. But that's the spread. So it depends. Like every broker, a broker is like a bank. You know, a bank has a, you know, you could get any bank or different. There's different banks for you to put your money in. A broker for forex is a bank, is basically a forex bank basically. So there's different for brokers where you can start an account, and every trade or something they charge you a commission, or certain brokers charge you a percentage and stuff like that. So it all depends on the broker you have. So instead of winning, you know, $1.80, you could have won. I probably would have won. Let's say I have a 7 spread. I have they charge me probably, I think for 0.01, I think they charged me 10 cents. So I probably would have made like a dollar and, let's say, $1.65 I would have made instead of $1.80. So it depends on the broker. Different brokers start charge different things. That makes sense. Oh, I understand. I mean, that makes sense. So in that same thing, the lot size, if I would have put a 1.00 instead of the 0.00, see, like right here, instead of putting the instead of having the 0.01, if I would have put a 1.00 on that same movement of 18 pips, I could have caught 180. That's would have been 180 minus, you know, the spread that it had, or minus the commission. So instead of 180, I could have made probably like 160, $160 on that 18 pip move. And it just keeps going up. If it was 10, that could have been 1,800. And if it was, you know, 100 lot size, that could have been 10,000 and 10,008, you know, 800, whatever it is. So it just keeps going up depending on the lot size, depending on the amount of money you have in your account. That's depending too the lot size you could use. And always we always got to use risk management. So it's like, you know, you're not gonna be like, let's say you have $100 in your account, and you're not gonna use a freaking a 5.00 lot size. That's not enough. Some people, I think, can you make a purchase with a 1.00? I don't even know if you can make a 1.00 lot size with $100 in your account. I don't remember. I think it's after 200 you can make a 1.00. Because the thing is, if you get into it and on that, and if it reverse a little bit, because you have to have the margin. There's like a margin. Oh, I'm getting in too deep. I'm gonna end up confusing. Gonna end up confusing. Yeah, let me shut the fuck up. Hey, man, you're my boy, so I was trying to give you information, yo. But it's too much. That's the thing. It's too much. You lost me at Pip. remember, remember what's Pip? You forgot. Oliver, don't tell me you forgot what's Pip. I told you, look, this is Pips. Oh my God. Don't tell me you forgot what Pip was. This is Pips, look right here. Oh. Nah, I'm messing with you. Okay, okay. I was gonna say, man, you're not paying attention? Shit. But yeah, remember, this is pips right here, you know. Since we were looking at GU, since right here, look, when it was all the way up here, you see that number, this gray number right here on the side? Right here? Look right here, watch. When it was all the way up here, let me bring this out. The cross. When it was all the way right here, that means that the price, I put the thing on the side, but I'm just looking at the line where it touched. That means the price was, that GBP USD price was at 1.33383. Remember, we don't worry about the fifth number. That's a pipette. But it was at 3338. 1.3338. So from 133.38, it went down all the way right here. We could have sold at 1.3319. So if you subtract 1.3338 from 1.3319, that's almost 20 pips. Almost 20 pips. So that's 19, well, 133 point, that was at 2. So let's say we kept that at 18 pips. We kept it at 18 pips. So yeah, right now, because you know, we got to calculate that last number right there in that calculation. I don't worry about that. I just call it, you know, 18 pips. That's it. 18 pips. I'm not going to say 18.5 pips because it was 18.5 pips and stuff like that. But yeah, so basically, if you subtract that number, 1.3338 from 1.3319 or 1.3320, is gonna give you 18 pips. That's an 18. That's the pip that it moved. You caught that movement. So right there, we would have caught 18 pips. Look how it's going up. Oh, boom. This is interesting. I'm telling you, man. See, I'm telling you, bro. It's not that hard, but it's not that easy. I'm not gonna tell you it's easy either, but it's not that hard. Like whatever you put into your mind that you want to do, you could do it, bro. And this is something that this is something I'm trying to open people's eyes, because this pandemic really opened my eyes. I was seeing so many people that was out of work, and I'm like, whoa, that could have been me. How about if my job shut down? Like, what the fuck am I gonna do? Like, like how the fuck am I supposed to feed my family or something like that? You know what I mean? So it's like this pandemic opened my eyes, and it's like I said, like, nah, I gotta get to my shit. I gotta, you know, I want real estate business. I want property to rent out and stuff like that. So I was like, I need to make the money. You know, I need to make that money to buy houses to rent out and stuff like that. So I was just looking into investing and got more into my stocks. But I find stocks to be a little bit harder because you like, it's so much of a company stuff. So much stuff about a company, and it's like choosing the right company and all this shit, and you know, when ratios and all. I'm like, no, like I'm lost. I'm lost with stocks. I'm lost a little bit, when it comes down to, you know, figuring out if it's a good company, because of the stuff that it has. Yeah, I started investing in companies when they started talking about closing the company I worked in. Oh man, that's sad. Shit. Well, but what? You invested in the company you worked in, or you started looking into investing in other companies? The music. It depends. You should never invest in a company you don't understand. A lot of people invest because others do. Damn, I'm thirsty. A lot of people invest because yeah, a lot of people invest because others do, and that's when they're gonna lose money. Not real companies, big companies. Yeah, but the thing is, sometimes big companies are overpriced too. So it really all depends. It really all depends, though. And exactly, that's exactly what you said. Thank you, baby girl. Wow. That's exactly what you said. You should invest only in companies, like, you know, and stuff that you understand. Woo! Excuse me. I was thirsty. My baby girl got me with a bottle of water. Shout out to Ash Cash. Yeah, of course, I don't own any share in a big company. Start with smaller startups or investments funds, then use that money to make more money.
So you know, I'm always listening.
Oh, so scared. Yeah, true, true. Sometimes, you know, it all depends what you understand. But like I was trying to understand, really understand stocks, like companies. Like I was breaking their structures and, you know, like their quarter and all that stuff. I was really trying to break that stuff down. I was like all over the place and with the news and all that stuff. And then I was like, nah, fuck this. Somebody told me about forex and I looked into it. I was like, seems a lot simpler, but I understand. I could understand a lot quicker than the stocks. Like really breaking the company structure down. So, because I like to break stuff down. So I was like, yeah, forex seems a bit more black and white. So to say, yeah, exactly. It's go up, it goes down, and it's really just patterns following momentum. Like certain stock, like when like there are certain times that we know, like let's say we know the Dow Jones is going up or something like that. So that movement could predict movement of that have US USD pairs because it's the dollar. So that could predict the movement up or down because the Dow Jones is basically on the dollar, the company of the US, so it makes the dollar. So and stuff like that. You learn that as you go. There are sometimes pairs that you see that move together or not move together, they mostly move identical. Like I told my boy, about when he was talking about GU, that to check out GY. Oh, that was on YouTube. But on YouTube, he told me to check out GJ, which I use as short for GBP JPY. I told him, look, if you look at this right, you see this moving right now? This is GBP USD, right? Look at this. Look how it looks. Boom, boom, boom. Look, this is a different pair, but it's the same thing. Pound versus yen. This is pound versus dollar. Look, did you see any change? Did you see any change? It still did the same. Look at this movement. Let's see. It might have made it bigger or it might have made it smaller. Let's see how many pips that was. Let's see how many pips that was. Look, this one made a 14, or if you would have held over here, it would have been 16 pips. So see, if you're smart enough, you when you see, oh, I see GBP USD is going on a sell. Boom, I got in there. So GBP JPY moves the same way. Let me get into it too. Boom. Instead of 18 pips, you would have made 34 pips because on the other one it was 18 and this one caught 16. So 18 plus 16 is 34. So instead of 18 pips, you would have caught 34 pips. Now we're talking about $3 and what I said, 34, $3.40 or $340 or 3,000, and you know it keeps going. It just everything just move. Oh man, life is great. Life is great. Yeah, certain things, you know, the more time you spend in the market, the more stuff you start learning. And I said, I'm gonna make a chat. I'm gonna make a. I don't know if you're familiar with Telegram. I'm gonna make a chat and send like ideas there, and like people that are interested in like learning about forex. I'm gonna make a chat for that because it's a little bit hard for me that I already don't have enough time to share the love. So it's like hard for me to be like, I'd be telling this person, teaching this person, then I'd be teaching these person, and then the same thing I'd be explaining here. That's why I make videos too, so people could watch. But certain people, I don't know, they don't. I don't know if they don't. People learn differently. Some people learn from videos. Some people learn from reading. Some people learn from actually seeing it. Some people want to kind of like do kind of like a one-on-one, which I can't do because I never have time. But I try to spread the love a little bit. You know what I mean? But I want to make a chat just for people that are interested in forex. And if they want to join the academy too, which it teaches you, there's videos that actually teach you all the steps, like from the basic, from the beginning, from being a baby. They teach you the steps. So there's videos that teach you the steps. Oh, what is a pip? How to read what is a candle, and all that stuff. Cause sheesh, that one-on-one, repeating here, repeating there, that's why it's much easier to make a video. Boom, here, that's what it is. Watch this video. Boom, you know what I mean? Once they watch the video, they'll have an understanding. It's a little bit easier to say, oh look, explain, look, this is what is that, that's what is that. I think I'm learning with the vids and demo account. I like someone explaining the basics and then learning by doing. Exactly. Yep. That's what I usually do. Well, I watch the videos and then I just watch the videos and then doing the practice. Boom, 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 boom. And actually looking at the market and doing the stuff. Hey. But yeah, it's fun. But look, I wanna like this movement, since we're watching on the 1 minute. See how there's not much movements. It did movements there. There's movements there. But like I liked it to be on the London session, because on the 1 minute it can move up and down quickly. So let's say I know GBP. Well, I usually trade a lot this pair, GBP USD. Let's say I know GBP USD is going for a buy all day long for like in the 1 hour or something like that. I look for just straight buys on the 1 minute, because I know if I was wrong, I got in too late, I know in the long time frame it's still gonna go for a buy. So I just gotta wait. Oh, instead of in 5 minutes, oh, I made a couple pips. Damn, in 5 minutes it reversed down. Fuck. But 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes later, it was supposed to still come up. So it will still come up and you still make your profit there. Cha-ching! Knowledge of the day, baby. ah. Let's see if I can find an example here. No, because I don't know exactly what would call this, if it's just gonna go on a buy or on a sell. But let's go back. Let's see. Let's go back. Let's go back. Look. Let's see right here. Look. Okay. Perfect. Right here. Look. Let's say because this is touching the 30, right? Hold on. Let me put the music. I like to hear some music. Let's say because you see this is the RSI. RSI is the related strength index. That's what it's called, related strength index. But remember I told you when it's at the 7. Actually, let me pause the music. Remember when I told you that it's when it's at 70 up here, it means it's overbought, and when it's like around close to the 30, it means it's oversold. Like overbought means it's been going green. It been going up too much. And down, oversold mean it's been going down too long, for too much, or not for too long. It's just too, like, for the power that it does, whatever. I don't know how to explain it correctly, but like it's just too much sells order, too much sells, and too much buys. So remember, see how so let's say right here, since it was getting closer to the 30. Oh, It's but this is the 1 hour, right? Oh, and it's close to the 30. Huh? It's oversold. Huh? I'm gonna look into a buy really quick, right? Okay. Boom. It closed right here, right? Let's say I got in right here. Let's say I got in right here, right? Let's say I got in right here. Oh no, I said the 1 minute. But see, let's say I know this is at the 30, so I know this is gonna go. It's gonna go up. So in this hour, what hour is this? 8 o'clock. So I know it's gonna go up, right? At 8 o'clock, in the 8 o'clock hour. So let's go into 1 minute. Let's see where's 8 o'clock. What day was that? God damn it. Wait, right here. What day was that? That was 12:11 at 8 o'clock. 12:11 at 8 o'clock. 12:11 at 8 o'clock. 12:11 at 8 o'clock. Man, that's back there. Jesus. Right here. Around right here. Look at that W. Look at that W. Oh my God. Que lindo, Conchita. Que lindo. See, there's another strategy about I learned about W's and stuff. But see, right here at 8 o'clock. Let's look for the 8 o'clock right here. Boom. Let's say you would have got it exactly in at 8 o'clock, right? Because you say, oh, it's going to be a buy. It's going to go up because it's close to the 30, right? You following me, Oliver? Just making sure you're following me. Hey, I appreciate y'all six fellas in the chat and that's on Twitch. I appreciate y'all fellas stopping by the Santana 90s Gaming, fellas. If y'all new to the channel, don't forget to hit that follow button. We here, baby. All right. Okay, you're following me. All right. So let's say, remember, I said in the 1 hour, it was gonna go up, right? So let's say at 8 o'clock, as soon as you saw the candle close in the 1 hour, you got in for a buy. So that would have been, we're looking right now at the 1 minute. So right here at 8 o'clock, this is the 8 o'clock candle right here. So as soon as it opened, you got in. So you would have got in at 1.3165. Oh, but Jonathan, fuck. 801 is going down. Fuck, it's 801, but it's going down. Shit, 802. Oh my God, Jonathan, I'm still negative. 803, 804. It's still 815. Look, 812. Oh, you see the time clock right here. I don't know if y'all see it all the way in the bottom. All the way in the bottom of the this line right here. See, right here, you see the where it comes up right here when I'm hovering over the candles. That's where you see the date and the time frame. But okay, so we're looking at the 1 minute. We got right here. We got in right here. Right? We got in right here at 18 at 1.3165. Damn, Jonathan, I got in at 1.3165. You said it was going up. You said it was going up. All right. Okay. Damn, Jonathan, 10 minutes in. Fuck, Jonathan. I'm losing. Let me see right now. It's right here. Damn, Jonathan is at 31.45. I'm losing. How many pips is that? 65 to 45. Damn, Jonathan. I'm negative. I'm down 18. 20 pips. Fuck, you said it was going up. Right? Look at this. We still at the 8:20 at the 8 hour. 8 hour. Look, we got in at 31.65. Let's look for 9 o'clock. Where would it finished? Right here. This candle right here. 9 o'clock. And it closed right here. Which you could have sold as soon as right here. But once you see it going down. But let's say we closed right here. Right? Let's say we closed. We waited 1 hour. Fuck. We waited 1 hour because we thought it was going up. And this is what you're trying to improve on. Your entries. But this is just one example. This is just one example. Because I could give you multiple different examples in just that 1 hour. But let's say, as you said, at 8, exactly at 8, you got in because you know it was going to go for a buy. You waited for that one candle to finish on that 1 hour. Boom. At 9 o'clock, it would have been at 1.3176. And it was at 1, and we got in at 1.3165. So from 1.3165 to 9 o'clock to 1.3176, that's 11 pips. Boom. That's a win because you got into a buy. That's a win. But that's just one example. That's just one example. What I look for, I don't do that. What I look for is for position. So like, let's say on that 1 hour, right? How can I, let me see if I can mark it. Okay, yeah, I can mark this. Let me put the lines. Hold up. Let me make some lines so I know where I'm at vertical right here. Okay. So from 9 o'clock right here to 8 o'clock. Okay. So see right here, in this 1 hour, so I know for that 1 hour, it's going to end up positive. For that 1 hour, it's going to end up positive. Oh, did you understand that, Oliver? Just in case. So you can still do long time investments with forex. Oh yeah. It just depends on the type of trader you are. There's people that trade there's people that trade for months. They get into a trade like 2 months ago and they hold it for a couple months. It depends. Okay, you understand that. Okay. It depends on the type of trader you are. You know, you could be a day trader. It's just the same thing as stocks. You could be a day trader. You could be a swing trader. You could be a a long-term trader. It just depends on the way you want to trade. But see, let's say on that 1 hour, what I try to do, I know it's gonna go up, so I just wait. I wait for a good entry point. So see, I would have not got like right here. As I said that the one example I gave you, we would have got an 8. Me, I know it's gonna go up, but I'm looking. I come down to the 1 minute. Okay, so I see it up here, right? The RSI was up here. Oh, I'm gonna wait. I'm looking for. I want to look for a better entry instead of because I don't want to catch. If I would have waited that whole hour, in 1 hour, I didn't want to catch only 11 pips, right? So I want a better entry. All right. So I see it going down, going down. Ooh, look at the RSI on the 1 minute. On the 1 minute. Oh, the RSI is below the 30. Okay. Now instead of getting all the way up here and here, I could have got in here. When I see it started coming up, right here, boom. I see it start coming up. Boom. That's the entry right there at 1.3149. From 1 point, look, from right here, let me mark that too. Right here. Okay, so right there, okay, if I would have got in this entry, because I'm looking for a better entry. Oh, the RSI dropped below 30. Now I could get in the 1 minute. Now I could get in, so I could grab more pips. So I would have got in. Boom, 1.3148. Now I'm riding it all the way to 9 o'clock. Ooh, let's see, because I know it's supposed to end up higher. Boom, 1.3176. So now, instead of from here to here, catching only 11 pips, now from here that we entered, here's where it closed. So from 1.3149 to 1.31, what was it, 76? Was it 76? Yeah, 1.3149. Is that 49? Yeah, it is 49. Let me see. Yep. 1.3140, yeah, 49 to 1.3176. You know how many pips is that? That's 27 pips. That's 2 times more than if we would have got in here. 2 times more. And plus some. So that's what are you trying to improve to get better entries. Well, that's what I'm trying to improve now since I know what I'm looking for. I'm looking for better entries so I could get more pips. But then, if you want to take it to another level, instead right there, right? So I told you the first example, which we would have got the first example, which we would have got 11 pips, right? Let's put it right here. Let me make a thing, a text right here. First example, we would have got 11 pips. 11 pips. All right. Second example that I showed you, we would have got second example. We would have got how much did I say? 27? Yeah, from 39. Yeah, 27 pips. So second example, we would have got 27 pips. Now, you think that's it? There's more. Like, there's so much shit, man. There's so much shit, yo. Yeah, I get it. So you just want to find a good entry so you can earn more. Exactly. But that's not it. That's not it. There's more to it. There's you still just from that one side, you could still got more money from that thing right there. So okay, let's see. Look, you see it. First example, we got 11 pips. Right? First example, you got 11 pips. Second example, which you was looking for a better entry, you would have got 27 pips. Now look at this. Look at this. Look at this. You could have got in 2 trades. This is another example now. The same thing as the first one. You would have got at 8. You would have got in. You would have put in a trade for 8 when the first out, because you know that 1 hour is going to go up. You would have got in a trade at 8, and then you would have looked for another one, which would have been this one. Boom. You would have got in another one. So that you would have been inside of 2 of them. So instead of just getting 11 or 27, you could have got both, which would have been 38 pips. You would have got 38 pips. Example 3. Third. You would have got fucking 38 pips. But wait, Jonathan, there's more. Fourth example. You want to see it? Are you tired? Are you following me? I love this shit though. There's so many things. Now, like, you're super experienced. Not, you don't have to be super experienced, but you kind of know what you're looking for, and you have the money to risk a little bit in your account. Or you could just, let's say you're doing a 1.00 lot size, you could have done, instead of breaking them down. Let's say I could have put 3 trades instead of just 1 or 2. Let's say I want to break it down into, yeah, 1 hour. Let's say I want to break it down to 1.00 to, let's make it even, or, no, let's make it 3 trades. One at 0.50 and the two others at 0.25. So instead of that, you could have done right here. Boom, you got in at 8. You got in at right here when you seen this better entry. But now you see it keeps going down. Oh shit, it keeps going down, Jonathan. Fuck, I got in right here too at 1.3148. The RSI is still below 30. Oh shit, Jonathan. Fuck, another one that keeps going down, keeps going down. Boom. Okay, now I see it. Oh damn, Jonathan, the RSI is at 20. That's really low. Oh, but it's coming up. It's coming up. Oh, this candle closed. Boom. Oh, I want to get in right there, Jonathan. Oh, shit, Jonathan. I got into another entry. And that's right there is 1.3139. So now, again, we just got into 3 trades. So now we're riding that all the way up until 9 o'clock, right? So from, what did I say right here? 1. 31, 39. So 39 to 76. How much is that? 36. No, that's 37 points. So that's 37 pips. 37 pips. So I could have got all of that, right? All of that. So since I got in 3 trades plus 37, so 38 plus 37. That's 75 motherfucking pips in just that 1 hour. In just that 1 hour. That's right there. Could have been your day. That right there. If you're doing the 0.01, that's $7.50, right? You're doing the 1.00. I mean, doing the you're doing the 0.10. That right there is what did I say? Is $75. If you're doing the 1.00, how much you think is that? Let's see. Let's see if you're following me. A 1 point every pip. Let's see if you're following me, Oliver. Every pip you win is $10. Okay, okay. Okay, okay, let's go, Oliver. Woo! You're following. Let's go. So yeah, so it all depends on the lot size you're really using. So that's why you see sometimes you see people posting pictures that was like, hell nah, you didn't make $1,000 in 5 minutes, or hell nah, $10,000 in fucking one day. No way, you're fucking lying. Or fucking let's say. What, in one day you made $5,000? This nigga is lying. He just bro, you don't know what we're doing to really say we're lying or not. Like, I just clearly showed examples of how it just depends on the lot size you're using. You know what I mean? That's six. It's pattern and strategy, pretty much. Yeah. Yeah, so right there I showed you 4 different examples. This is the simple way. You know, when your lot size is small, you use a smaller lot size because you do risk management. You don't want to risk no more than 3% of your account size, right? So you don't want to risk more than 3% of your account size, which a lot of people risk a lot more to get more, but at the same time you could lose a lot more. So you know what I mean? So some people risk 1% of their account, some people risk 2% of their account, some people risk 3%. Between once you're risking between 1 to 3%, you're good. But there's certain people that risk 10% of their account, 20% of their account, and it's like, you can make money quick, but you can lose it too. So it all depends on the type of trader you are. Because I'm not gonna lie, I have risked more than 3%. So that's why sometimes I make a good certain amount of money, but at the same time I could lose a good size of money. You know what I mean? So that's why you got to keep it balanced. Like, a good risk management between 1 to 3%, because you don't want to lose all that money that quick. So that was just one example right there, bro. First example, you could have won 11 pips. Second example, you could have won 27 pips. Third example, you could have won 38 pips. Fourth example, you could have won 75 pips. But that was just an example on the buy on the 1 hour. But that's what that's what I'm doing. And it comes down to getting better entries, identifying those buys and sells. Look at here, right here. Look at this. Then you see this. Look, boom, it hit here, boom, it hit here, boom, it hit here. That's like what we call like support area. If we think about it as a floor, a floor supports you. A ceiling supports the top. So, we call it like floor and ceilings. Oh, right here. We call it floor and ceilings. Because, a floor supports your weight. A ceiling supports the weight on top, So, if you see this, see how I have a line right here? Look at this. I haven't drawn this line in a minute. Like, I drew that line way back, because I haven't drew a line in GBP not in a long time, right? Let me see if I can find where I drew this line. It was nowhere here. It was not there. Wow, I can't even go all the way back there now. I could go back there, but I was trying to find where I drew that line because I know it was either a support or a ceiling. So I drew that line and look right here where it happened. Over here, it became a ceiling too. Look at right here. It became a ceiling. It became a thing. Boom. It's hitting. It hit him. Boom. See, boom. It hits. Right here it broke, so it went up. It really didn't have enough power, so it came back down. It tried again. It broke through. It finally broke through, so it stayed. Lost the momentum, so it broke back down. And right here, fall. Look at this. It hit my other freaking floor. So now it goes up, boom, it hit the yellow line. Found the ceiling, bounced right back. It's gonna try to retest the ceiling, boom. But once it broke, it didn't have enough momentum, so it came back down. So if we keep following that, it might do the same thing again. But look, right here, it broke through. But boom, it opened over here. So it might come to try to test this ceiling again, or it might even break through the ceiling again. Because what it's doing is testing that ceiling and that floor. Oh my God, this is just getting too. I just noticed right now. This is getting easier. As time passed, it's like wow, this is that easy. That's why I say it's not easy, but it's not hard, because it's just the more time you got in the markets, the better, because you start learning stuff, man. That's crazy, yo. That's crazy. Oh man, that's sick. How much you pay for a 1 point lot size? On my broker, I pay is it $10? $10? Fuck, I forgot how much is it. Let me see. Hold up. Let me see if I can find how much I pay for a 1.00 lot size. Shit, I forgot. It depends on the broker you have, because the broker charged differently. On a 1.00 lot size, I pay, damn, I think it's $5. Yeah, I pay $5 per lot size. $5 per lot size. Yep. Because 0.01 they charge me 5 cents. I mean 50 cents. Yep, and on a on a 5.0 of no 0.05 they charge me $2.50. So yeah, it's five times the lot size. No, 5 times the lot size. So yeah, 50 cents per 10 cents. Yep. So yeah, on for me on my broker, they would have charged me $5. So for that example, you put in the in $5 and you got 750. So yeah, on that, yep, exactly. On this example, on the fourth, that I put, let's say we use the 1.00 lot size, a 1.00 lot size. Yep, they would have charged me $5, and let's say the spread and all that stuff. So let's say from this example on a 1.00 lot size, I probably would have got 700, and that was 3 trades. The spread is like 7. So 3 times 7 is 21. So that's about so that I would have got like $710 probably from that example, if that was a 1.00 lot size. Let's say I would have got like $710. That's just put in it because I can't calculate the spread. The spread makes you either get a little bit higher or get a little bit lower, depending on how you get in. That's why a broker with a good low spread, the lower the spread they got, the better. The lower the spread, the better. The lower the commission you got to pay, the better. So yeah. That's sick. You following, huh? You following, Oliver? I think I'm gonna start doing this a little bit every Sunday or something like that. I don't know. Since I don't like to trade when the market opens, I could do this like every Sunday. You know, I could stream my video games on Saturday and then stream a little bit of this on Sunday. Good idea, huh? Good idea, right? If y'all want to, I don't mind. Pip Sensei, did you take that drop? No. I was just explaining my boy about the, you know, why you said about why to take that drop. But no, I didn't take that drop. Did you? Yes, sir. Good stuff. Good stuff, boy. Good stuff, my guy. Oliver, you still in here? Good stuff. Good stuff. Like I'm trying to stay focused. I mean, I'm trying to stay disciplined. I'm trying to stay disciplined, Pip Sensei. Trying to stay disciplined. I'm not supposed to trade at this time, so I'm trying to stay disciplined and not trade at this time. I hear you. Yep. So you know I'm gonna wake up later, around 5 a.m. to trade. Even though that was a good move, though, that was a good 18 pip move. And then if you would have combined it with GBP JPY, you could have got 34 pips. Cause you know JB, look at, oh my God, look at this. It went even lower. So let's see. When we saw that, it was 8 o'clock. Oh, 9 o'clock. Wait, I'm looking at the 1 hour. Never mind. Jesus. I thought this was the 1 minute. Oh my God. And remember, look, Oliver, remember I told you it started going up? See? So what must come down must come up. Look. Went up, down, went up. It's not gonna go. I mean, it could go. The candles are built sideways, but the only way that the candle's gonna go is either up or either it's gonna go down. The thing of that's the big difference too between forex and stocks. In stocks, you can only make money going up. In forex, you can make money going up, and you can make money going down. Both ways. It just depends on what you get in. I hear you. A little 0.01 lot doesn't hurt. You're right. You're right, Sensei. You're right. You know what? If I see another good thing, I'll probably get in it if I see another good thing. If I see another like nice, interesting move, I'll probably get in it. Look right here, it went up. Wow, that was a nice big candle. 57. That was 3 pips. That was 5 pips. Nice, nice. That was a nice 5 pip move on the one candle. But this was another nice move up from 50 to 58, 59. 9 pip move from 58 to 51. A nice 7 pip move. Right now it's doing a 52 to 62. That was a 10 pip move. You saw it made that M. You see this divergent? Hey, Sensei, you see this divergent? Let me see if I could draw. I don't know. I remember. Ah, God damn it. How can I draw? Oh, right here. Look. Look at this divergent. Look at this divergence, Sensei. So you know this is going down. You know this is going down. But it's too late for me to get into it. Are you here, Pep Sensei? Yup. Ah, you think I don't see that? You think I don't see that? I see it. I see it though. Ah, let's see how low that's gonna go. But this is the 1 minute. So this changes quick. You gotta be paying attention to that. This changes quick. Let's see how low that's gonna go. Let's see what the 1 hour says. Where's the 1 hour at? Huh. Look, the 1 hour, the RSI is at 60. Not too bad. It can still go either way. It can still go higher. It can still go lower. What's the trend? Oh. For me, I still call this divergent. For me, I still call this divergent. Because, you know, you see how low it's here? You see how low it's here? But here is around the same price where it closed and opened, like the lower it went. So I still call this divergent. Because if it got to the same level, like really, you usually mark it from the box though. But see how this one is still lower, closed lower than this one. So I still will call this divergent. So that's why this one started going up. Damn, but that big leap, god damn it. That big leap was like a 100 and something pips. You going on Zoom when Peter goes live? What time did he announce the time? He didn't say at what time he was going on. He said in 30 minutes. How long ago was that? So at 11:30, this late he's doing it? Oh shit, just now? Okay, okay. So at 11:30, all right. So I'll stream for 30 more minutes before I hop on the Zoom. I'll stream for until he goes on the Zoom, and then go to bed because I work tomorrow.
How much longer are you gonna be up?
But see that diversion? That's why I know that this is why it was going up. See, Oliver, this is another strategy I learned. So it's just there's a lot of different strategies out there. You try to find good ones, of course, but then between all the strategy you be learning, like I try to get the one I understand. You know, the ones that I find good, but that I understand, that I could see it in the charts happening. Because what was the point of me getting, oh, this is the best strategy? But me, myself, can I identify that strategy on the charts when I'm looking at the charts by myself? So, there's no point of that. So you get, the best strategy you can, but a strategy that you could identify. Because everybody sees stuff differently. Y'all like this stream so far? Let's see, let's see. Y'all like this stream so far, fellas? What's going on? Who's in the chat? We got 5 people on Twitch. We got 2 people on YouTube. We got that person on Facebook left. What's going on? What, tell me what's up with the charts. I mean with the stream. Y'all like the stream? Y'all want me to stream this every Sunday? Stream so y'all can learn about the forex markets. It's gonna call the Santana classroom. Oh, I guess y'all don't like it. Nobody said anything. Y'all don't like it, huh? Okay. Saves me time. Saves me time. I don't have to stream this. Ah, man. Who's still in the chat? Who's still in the chat? I mean, my name.
You see her?
What the hell?
Look at Vivian. The crazy thing is, she would probably be pretty. Her nails.
That's crazy. But all right, I think that's gonna be calling it. I think I'm gonna call it right there, though. I gave you a lot of pointers right there, huh? Hey, get money, get money. Damn, where was my boy Cheerio? Oh shit. Let me do So yeah, we're gonna cut it right there. Mm. Thanks for the stream, man. See ya. Yeah, my man. No problem, bro. You want to see this on Sundays more often? You left for a minute. You left for a minute. I was talking to you. I was talking to you. Yeah, sure. Yeah, I don't mind. I think Saturdays is gonna be game day, and then Sundays, like for when the market opens, I could explain a little bit, or even though I don't like repeating myself a lot, but explain a little bit because I really, damn man, that's 5 a.m. Piss you. Oh, that's what you mean? That's five pips or 5 a.m. What? What you mean, Oliver? Really? Hey, y'all hear me? Oh, it was raid, not. Wait, damn, babe. Thanks for stopping by, fellas. Thanks for stopping by.